Hello, welcome to Blissful Spaces. I am out and I am checking on my fall plants that I potted, and oh my gosh, today they just look so lovely. This right here is the Arizona Sun Blanket Flower. Look at those beautiful orange petals. And they are just like spreading out, enjoying this weather. And my calicios, absolutely beautiful. And this campfire coleus, look at the blooms, the purple blooms on this. Wow, this is the first time that I've seen the bloom on this plant, and it is strong, hardy. It's a perennial. And my oregano. This is an annual that I will be replacing. My super Cali. So yeah, it looks like it's pretty much at the end of its stages. So I'll go ahead and replant something in that space. Take another look at my campfire coleus. Oh yes, and that aloe vera plant. Look at all that new growth. It's thriving being in the back. It's been shaded. It's just, yes. I always add an aloe vera plant to each of my potted plants. So, yes, and even the oregano. Yeah, just getting that over there, but that oregano is just like growing. And then my ivy plant. Look at the oregano. And my ivy plant is growing. So look at that stretching out. So today is a beautiful day to be out in the garden, checking the plants, watering, just enjoying the beauty, the aromas. And yes, so beautiful day to garden. If you haven't already started your fall garden, I encourage you to get out and grow today. So I just wanted to take time out to share this with you. Thanks for watching. As always, be kind, be loving, stay healthy.